Have you ever pondered the sheer magnitude of our impact on Earth's climate? Our collective actions, often innocuous in isolation, have triggered the acceleration of global warming, a phenomenon with far-reaching consequences. As we delve into the top 10 contributors to global warming, it becomes evident that our future hinges on the choices we make today. Firstly, the burning of fossil fuels. When we ignite coal, oil, or natural gas for electricity, heat, or transport, we release carbon dioxide, the most notorious greenhouse gas, into our atmosphere. This single activity is the largest contributor to global warming. Secondly, we have deforestation. Trees are nature's own carbon capture technology, absorbing CO2 as they grow. When we fell forests for agriculture, urban development, or timber, we lose this valuable service and CO2 levels rise. Industrial processes follow closely. The production of cement, steel, textiles, and other materials often involves the release of greenhouse gases, namely carbon dioxide and methane. Agriculture, surprisingly, is another significant contributor. Livestock farming, especially, is a source of methane, as are rice paddies. The use of fertilizers also results in the release of nitrous oxide, another potent greenhouse gas. Next up is waste management. As organic waste decomposes in landfills, sands oxygen, it releases methane, further exacerbating global warming. Land use changes beyond deforestation also contribute. Draining wetlands or converting land for agriculture and urban use can release CO2 stored in plants and soil. Transportation, powered predominantly by gasoline and diesel, is another major contributor. Cars, trucks, airplanes, and ships emit large amounts of CO2, pushing the global temperature up. Energy production, even beyond the burning of fossil fuels, leads to greenhouse gas emissions. Leakage of methane from natural gas systems and loss of natural carbon sinks are prime examples. The use of refrigerants, specifically hydrofluorocarbons or HFCs, used in air conditioning and refrigeration, are potent greenhouse gases with a much higher capacity to trap heat in the atmosphere than CO2. Finally, population growth and consumption patterns play a role. As the global population grows and consumption increases, the demand for energy, transportation, and goods rises, leading to higher emissions unless we adopt sustainable practices. In summary, our actions in areas as diverse as energy production, waste management, and even our dietary choices are driving global warming. It is clear that reducing greenhouse gas emissions across all these areas is not just necessary, but urgent. This means transitioning to renewable energy sources, enhancing energy efficiency, protecting forests, and promoting sustainable agriculture and waste management practices. Our future, and the future of generations to come, depends on the choices we make today.